Hi, it's me, Shai, which is not that Shai Wilson, and welcome to my very first hashtag video on request challenge. I want to thank my friend Sunflower for nominating me to do a video on request challenge for her. If you would like to see more of her and go to her channel to see some fun things, she knows how to do the little cha-cha slide, she knows how to do the merengue, she knows how to do the salsa, she knows how to do anything. You can go to her address. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen for you to see. Bam! And I'm also gonna put a link down below in my description box. Please be sure to like and subscribe and to hit that bell. That way you'll be notified when I have a new video coming up. Thank you so much for your support. By liking and subscribing to my page, this will push my videos up so more of my content can reach people nationwide out there. To comment down below. I love getting feedback on the videos you like, the content you like, and what you would like to see next. Okay, before we get started, I decided to enlist in some help. So I called two people over here today to help me out. Hello? Hello? Can you see me? Hello? Can you see me? You want me further? Hello, my name is Caterpillar. You getting a glare? What sort of problem? You're getting a glare? Really? You're getting a glare from my spectacles? What am I supposed to do? I can't see without my spectacles. I'm totally blind, you know. You can't see me. I can see you. Hi, my name is Daphne Jean May Pollock, and I'm Shai's cousin from Sugarland, Texas. I'm currently president of Virgins of America, Sugarland District. How do you say it? What's a tyke? Can't say number two. Why do you have to say tyke? Your money. I don't understand how a new scene is a tyke. Can't we just say number two? Tyke two. I was the spelling bee champion. I won homecoming queen 4 years straight in high school. In a glare? What sort? I like small animals. I like anything furry. Can't see the cars. You might as well be across the street. Are you crazy? I can't see it. Walk closer. Come close. Tell Shai I can't see without my spectacles. My one rule she doesn't understand. She's quite crazy, that Shai. She's quite loony. I know she's quite busy, but if she just listens to detail, because I can't see. I can't see. Video on request challenge, take 15. See the notes? No, I still can't see. You want me to look in the camera? You want me to look right there or right there? Let me know. Quite moved to LA. I'm quite new. Hello, my name is Caterpillar, and I'm here to help Shai with her challenge, her request challenge. Tell her, however, that I cut the heel off of her stiletto, which resulted in her falling in the back-to-school fashion show. She still doesn't know it was me responsible, so if you could please not tell her, it'll be quite nice. I'm living with her. I'm new to LA and I'm living with her, and I don't want her to kick me out. She will. I know her, sure she will. You want me to come closer like this? Little man behind the camera. Hello? Excuse me. Am I getting paid for this? Am I getting paid? We are going to be going over the spectacular world of turmeric. Oh yes. Now turmeric is wonderful. Very strong. So this is one thing that you want to use once a week. Now turmeric is a acne stopper. Before I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself and apply it as a face mask. Now this is what I have used lately as of this year, turmeric. I found out about it a few months ago, so I thought I would give it a little try. Now turmeric is very easy to find. I bought mine at Rouse, or there's Albertsons. I'm going to put a link in my description box down below. I'll have a few turmeric recipes. drinks, and other uses that you can use turmeric on your body and your skin. On your blue is you want to mix 1 ounce of water and 1 regular teaspoon, like a tea, like you're having tea, a teaspoon of turmeric, and you want to mix it. That directly on your pimple, your zit, your ingrown crater, what have you. You put that on, just that spot is fine. Overnight or for at least an hour or a few more hours. You wash it off and it's dried your pimples. This works best at night. It's quite nice. It heals wounds. It's quite nice. I'm here to help my friend Shai so we can talk about turmeric. Turmeric is perfect, and I have a few instruments that I like to use so you can blend it and apply it properly. So you want to put your turmeric in a little container. Tupperware is perfect. I bought this. It's quite nice. It's a Shai's actually. I did not buy it to be mine. Shh. Anyways, it's quite cute. So when you put, you can use some sort of wand. I use a wand just like this, a nice brush. You can clean it. It's quite fuzzy. You can give yourself massages. Oh. On the wall, I want to be the prettiest of all. One little disclaimer, one little warning. Turmeric will stain your hands, your nails, and sometimes your skin. Don't worry, wash it off. If you find out that your nails or your hands are still orange, you can take a baby oil and wipe it on your skin, or take a baby oil, massage your hands, massage your nails that are yellow, wash them again, and with 2 or 3 washes, the yellow should come off. But your skin is just gonna look so radiant. Now this is, I'm fixing to get Botox. Yes, I am. I'm fixing to get Botox. You can also put turmeric in your drinks. You can put, mirrors. I even lock. I'm new to LA and I'm fixing to get Botox. Yes, I am. Look at that. That ain't even. Also good for your body. So if you want to treat yourself to a spa treatment, soak your feet. You can put this on your thighs. You can put it on your stomach. You can put it on your face massages all day. You don't. Oh, this feels nice. Quite nice. See, we haven't even applied the turmeric, but it's quite nice and fuzzy. On your kneecaps to. I can't believe Shai doesn't have any snacks for her production or her cast or crew. I can't believe it. Mid-brain. Turmeric, your skin's gonna feel so nice. It's gonna be so radiant, and it's perfect before first dates. Turmeric once a week. Not only for ladies, but it's for the men too, especially for your ingrown hair bumps. It'll right now. Thank you. Right away. Your scars and they'll fade away. You can put turmeric on your. I hope everyone enjoyed my first hashtag video on request challenge. I'd like to thank my friend Caterpillar and my cousin Daphne for helping me today with our special segment. And please let me know if you would like to see more of them on my video segments. And hey, maybe I'll throw in better craft services next time. So anyways, our new friend, Miss Sunflower. I happen to love sunflowers, so I want to say thank you, sugar. You made my day, and I love doing this video with my cousin. Miss Daphne, if you want to see me on the screen. I won 3rd grade, and I got 3rd place for singing. You want to hear me? All right. Ever, amen. I'm glad. Do you fill me up, Buttercup? Land and show me love. Thank you to Sunflower. Thank you so much. It was quite nice doing this video on request challenge for you. Hopefully we did a good job. Let me know. Call me. I mean, that is what we are. No one can be. Tell you know how to take care of your actors and guests. Call me Sunflower. I know you'll take care of my stomach next time and have the proper goal. Subscribe to her page. It'll touch her heart just to know how much you like her and appreciate her. Now, thank you, Sunflower. I think you'll take care of me much better. Thank you for tuning in. Please feel free to comment down below and see all the links in the description box down below. And please give a comment if you'd like to see me, Caterpillar, on Shai's videos a little bit more. And to like and subscribe and to hit that bell. And until then, I'll see you next week. I've got it. I've got it. Hello, I've got it. I've got it. You want me to...